Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Eviki eliphelile sibona ama-resignation letters awu-3 abevela kumalunga eMayibuye, Africa Mayibuye Movement. Futhi abantu abeberesign abanye bebeneyikhundla khona ku-Africa Mayibuye. Ngakho-ke uFloyd Shivambu wabhala le post le ethi reconfiguration of Mayibuye national officials in what the national officials described as separation of wheat from chaff. The national officials resolved to reconfigure the composition of national officials. Sizoyifunda ke statement esiphelele mayelana nalolu daba. Kodwa uthe mayibhala le post uMary Pardee wayithatha le post kaFloyd wayifaka ku timeline yakhe, wayisebhala lapho uthi ngangishilo njalo ngoFloyd. Lo obeka uDeputy President yena waresponda wabhala kanje. Robert Mnwendo ubhale kanje: Mausa collapsed, Comrade Floyd Shem. He will definitely recover after 7 days. Now, he want to advocate for us while we divorced him due to his arrogant, undermining and lack of humanity. Focus on your cult and leave EPWP, CWP. We are capable of defending ourselves as Mausa. Sign of desperation. Uma ngikhuluma ngeviki eliphelile ngathi labantu abaresignayo ku-Africa Mayibuye bane-message eyi-1 efanayo. Bathi they hope or they wish ukuthi i-Africa Mayibuye can be steered in the right direction. Ngaze ngabuza ukuthi ngabe lokhu kusho ukuthi the current leader who is steering the Africa Mayibuye movement, is he steering it to the right direction na? Usibonelo nomvalo we-MK Party ubhale kanje: Floyd Shivambu's party, Mayibuye, has become Mayife. So many resignations within the twinkling of an eye are gruesome. Floyd is one person whose character doesn't allow him to lead any political party. He is full of pride and arrogance. We gave this guy a very warm reception when he arrived in the MKP, not knowing that we were being hospitable to a person who even struggled to greet other people. After learning about his arrogance and aloofness, I told some comrades that his incumbency will be short-lived. From a distance, I used to think Malema is arrogant at a personal level. After interacting with both Malema and Floyd, I just realized that Malema is a very sweet fellow at a personal level. He will come and shake your hand even after you had a fallout in front of cameras. You get angry against him until you realize that you are just wasting your time. Floyd is full of himself. He thinks people eat other people's intelligence or brilliance. Even if you are brilliant, no one will want to associate themselves with you. If you are full of yourself, people can't eat your intelligence. How can you open a political party while you can't understand the basic principle of humanity and morality? That when you meet or see a person you greet, in simple language, uyazitshela lo mjida. Onobeka uDeputy President we-Africa Mayibuye, uRobert Mnwendo, usho into efanayo naleshiwo ulo usibonelo nomvalo. And uma ngabe lento abayishoyo iqiniso ukuthi uFloyd is arrogant, iqembu lakhe ngeke liye phambili. Ngoba mawuphethe abantu ufuneka ube umuntu odlekayo, thi ngisho njalo. Ube umuntu abantu bakwazi ukuza kuwe na uye kubo, bakwazi ukuxoxa nawe. Kodwa bonke abantu bekhala ukuthi uarrogant. Okwesibili abantu bekhala ukuthi is full of himself, akakwazi ngisho ukubingelela. Uzolihola kanjani i-political party nenqwaba yabantu abanama characters ahlukene? Uzobahola kanjani abantu wena ungakwazi ukubabingelela nje, ukwenza into elula ukubabingelela? Asidlulele phambili. Letter bayibhale ngomhla ka-28 November 2025 iya ku-Africa Mayibuye Movement. Ithi attention President, National Core Team, subject ithi resignation, revolutionary greetings. I, Gabsile Cynthia Shongwe, writing to formally resign as Deputy Secretary General of Africa Maibuye Movement. I have appreciated being part of the movement, and I would like to wish the organization a proper journey. Be committed to programs that are going to change life of the people on the ground, and be transparent. My resignation is effective immediately. Enye futhi resignation letter yange-28 November 2025 iya ku-Mrs. Phesihle Mahlaba, Secretary General Africa Maibuye. I trust this letter finds you well. After careful reflections on thorough consideration, I hereby tender my resignation from the Africa Maibuye Movement, both as Deputy Secretary General and as a member of the organization, with immediate effect. I extend my sincere appreciation for the opportunity to serve, and I wish organization continued success in its all future endeavors. Kind regards, Luther Libelo. Emveni kwalama resignation kade wabona uFloyd Shivambu ubese esehlangana nama leaders weAfrica Maibuye, baqala phansi manje bethi no, abafaka abanye abantu kule ikhundla la kuphume khona abantu. Kodwa nje kuyakhathaza ngoba ukufaka abanye abantu ungayixazululile inkinga exosha abantu kuyinkinga kwakhona, kukodwa nje kuyinkinga khona. Angazi noma yimo wrong na, kodwa ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. Kodwa nje engikushoyo, ukuphuma kwabantu bese uyaba replace ngabanye abantu ubungayixazululile inkinga okuyiyona exosha abantu, still usazobhekana nento efanayo. And abantu abawu-3 engibaziyo bakhala nge-attitude kuFloyd, bakhala ukuthi uFloyd arrogant. Abawu-3 abantu engibaziyo abakhala ngento eyodwa. So nalokho nje sekuyaqala kuyangikhathaza. Imi kanjena kuhlelo le-Africa Maibuye. Number 1 uPresident wakhona uNyiko Floyd Shivambu. Cela ungayifundi le list, kodwa nansi uyayibona la ku screen sakhe. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngingayifundi le list, ngifuna ukuphuthuma udaba lolo lwenza ukuthi, noma ngifuna ukuphuthuma isizathu lese senza ukuthi uRobert Mnwendo lo beka uDeputy President weAfrica Maibuye ethi bona bayakwazi ukuzirepresenta bona, uFloyd udesperate. Ngifisa nje ukucapha nodaba manje ngibalekela ukuthi ivideo le ingabi inde kakhulu. Laba bhala ukuthi the national officials have also resolved to establish the Maibuye Workers Desk to organize and champion workers' interest, focusing on exploited sectors, EPWP workers, CWP workers, security guards, petrol attendants, retail workers, farm workers. These workers represents the economy's backbone, yet face denial of dignity. The Maibuye's Workers Desk will be convened by the first Deputy Secretary General, Comrade Mzwandile Goge. Uzokhumbula ukuthi mzukwane eqala ukuba nenkinga ku-MK Party, uFloyd wahamba waya kuMawusa wathi uzoba uSecretary General wayo. Okuthe uma esethi ukhanda iqembu lakhe, yeza iMawusa yaba ngaphansi kwakhe. Manje njengoba namhlanje sekayijikela iMawusa sekethi bona bathe ngcono beze iMaibuye ba represent bona abasebenzi. Kodwa beMawusa bathi cha, Floyd wena udesperate nje, lento yakhe ayikho. Angiyibambe le video la, ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngalalokho mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.